Well, for one thing, you ask, what are we here for?
Okay.
That's the first thing. If people are assembled in a room, what are you here for? I don't care what kind of room it is and what the people came there for. Everybody should be very clear of what they are there for.
Yes, sir.
And everybody who leaves there is supposed to leave there with something better than what they came in with.
Okay.
Otherwise, what's the point?
Okay.
I mean, you can first raise that point. What are we here for? And let everybody just stand up and answer. Don't help people with the answer.
Right.
Because everybody knows what they are there for. All right? So you just simply say, okay, we're all here. I know why I'm here. You should know why you're there. If you are there, you should know why you are there. And you came for something. It's something that you want by coming among these other people. So you just simply say, what are we here for? What are we here for?
Okay.
And you don't move to the second question before the first question is answered thoroughly and accurately.
Okay.
And with understanding by everybody who's there. See, because if you don't know what you're there for, everybody needs to disband right now. Everybody needs to just walk out the door. I mean, because people do that. People just assemble sometimes because people, and everybody's looking around waiting on somebody to do something or say something, some kind of miracle to happen. Too often that happens.
Yes, sir.
And nobody is asking the simple question, what are we here for? That's question number one. And once you ask that question, then after we leave here, did we get what we came after?
Okay.
Otherwise, what's the point in assembling for any reason? And any two people getting together?
Okay.
Why am I sitting here talking to you? All right? Just two people. And why are you talking to me? About what? In order to accomplish what?
Yes,
Just
sir.
two people talking. Not to say anything about a room full of people or a stadium full of people. What are we here for? You go to a ball game, everybody kind of understands we're here to see what? People play ball. That's why we're here. Duh. But the question was, when you assemble with people, you got to first have focus. F-O-C-U-S. Focus on what? On what you are there for. I mean, and whomever the speakers are said, now, we are here, assembled here, to come away from here with something that we didn't have before we got here and be able to specify exactly what that something is. Otherwise, you ain't got no business assembling in the first place.